I'll admit, I have gone out with guys simply because I knew the food was going to be good.
Yo, my man, before you take her out for dinner, make sure you know something about her. Not just that she pretty. Like she fine. So you gonna wine and dine, have a great time, and then she gonna ghost you or curve you or find a reason that she don't like you. She just wanted to eat, bruh. Yo, get on FaceTime and get to know something about her. Make sure she don't have a pea brain. Make sure she has something upstairs. Make sure she has a purpose in life. I used to always ask ladies, what's your purpose in life? I ask my friends that too. I want to get an idea who's around me. What is your goal? What are your aims and objectives? What are you all about? You know what I'm saying? And if it sounds like, feeble, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just get my coins and have a good time. Like, you know what I'm saying? You got to show me your substance. You into the arts, you into dance, you into theater, you into museums. You know what I'm saying? You into the beach, you into traveling. You into tech, coding, robotics? Are you into Greenpeace and the environment? Like, what's your thing? You know what I'm saying? You into poetry and spoken word? You into comedy? Like, what are you about? What are your goals and objectives? What's your long-term goals in a relationship? Why do you like me? Why do you think you like me? Come on, what's going on? Before I go out there and we go to the Swiss Chalet and I pay all this money for you to ghost me. Come on, brothers. Like, y'all really doing pay for play out here like that. Like, you know what this is, right? This exchange, right? It's not good. So I'm trying to tell you again, be friends first. Like, get to know somebody before y'all start doing all these things that don't make sense, that's going to amount to nothing but hurt and heartbreak. And then you're going to be mad at women. You know what I'm saying? And women, y'all know y'all shouldn't do that. That's a no. But I know you like it. He's stupid enough for me to, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get my own food. So, I don't know, man. We got to do better, all right? Come on, y'all. Get to know each other. Let's stop playing games, all right? People get hurt like that. Peace.
I'll admit, I have gone out with guys simply because I knew the food was going to be good.
the what? The food?
Like, I sat through a whole Thai dinner and I knew that this guy was not it. Like, this guy, he had like them huge ear piercings. It was like a hole in his ear, and you could see through the restaurant and the hole in his ear. And I was just like, I'm never dating this guy again. Never, 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 never. And, I was sitting there and I was just like, well, the food is good.